Hi everyone, Drini here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to come back to Splinterlands governance token SPS to see where we are. Right now, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? We are currently up 61 cents now, and we're still waiting for the technical target of around 71 to 73 cents to happen. That was the video yesterday when I talked about when you have a double bottom. Typically, the technical target would be the length of this bottom, and we overlay it on the neckline of the structure. There is some recent price action that sort of leads to confluence to the fact that, again, it is still very bullish. So we are still on our way up. Momentum has turned from negative to positive. How do we know that? First thing, if we look at the EMAs, we have officially formed a golden cross as of now. So the 21 EMA has crossed the 55 EMA over the 4-hourly time frame. So for those of you who are not aware, when golden crosses happens, that signifies a positive upward momentum. So it gives confidence to everyone that, hey, we are back on track and momentum has shifted to the upside. Another structure that formed is, remember, it is healthy when price action rallies strong. If it corrects over the short term, that is actually what we want, because what you want to do is you want to have investors or traders profit a little bit first, consolidate and accumulate more before continuation. And this accumulation phase right now has resulted in a horizontal triangle. So a horizontal triangle, for those of you who are not aware, is typically a continuation pattern. What that means is if the price prior to the horizontal triangle is going up, the likelihood of the breakout will also go up. So the way you draw the lines here is once you draw the lines, where the price breaks out, the height of the triangle where the candle touches the upper trend line all the way down, that is the technical target. So we have a short-term technical target from this breakout of around 67 cents. So that's where we're going right now. Nothing much has happened since yesterday apart from the patterns that I just showed. We continue to exhibit bullish continuation here. So let me take this opportunity to talk about momentum, because it's a very important part of investing, but unfortunately it's very underrated and not a lot of people talk about it. How do we measure momentum? The simplest way of seeing whether we are in positive momentum, negative momentum, or we are undecided is just look at the EMAs or any moving average that you feel best represents how you want to read the market. So in my case, I use a 21 EMA and a 55 EMA to signify where a price action is in the cycle. Whenever the price action is above the EMAs, for me, that is confluence of a bullish continuation pattern. When the price action breaks the structure and goes down, similar to when we broke the structure here and started to go down, this is a break in momentum, and this is where I start to be wary to see, like, okay, are we going to continue down? The high likelihood of it is yes. So as you can see here, once it broke the structure, it continued its way until you have a trend break. So a lot of people make the mistake that when price starts to go up, they have to FOMO in, or they have to ape in to capture the momentum, so to speak. Not financial advice, but from personal experience, that's not really a good way to trade, because if you buy these run-ups, they typically correct over the short term, and sometimes they may even break structure. As a buyer, let's say you still want to purchase SPS for yourself. How do I get in? So for me personally, this is where I look at the EMAs to see where price rests during a rally if I want to purchase more SPS. So let me give you an example. Every time there's a price run up, where does the price fall back to? So in this chart, for SPS's case, it is not on the daily time frame. So if I put on the daily time frame, as you can see the averages, you may be wondering, if you're looking at a daily time frame here, how do I buy this? So a good tip here is go on lower time frames to see where the price actually rests so that you know where the buying opportunities are. So for example, here, every time we are rallying up during a bullish continuation, look at where it rests. It rests around at the 21 EMA, 21 EMA, 21 EMA. Sometimes it breaks structure, which is even better because once it breaks down 21 EMA, then what do you aim for? Maybe you aim for that 55 EMA as a good buying opportunity, and then it continues to rest on the 21 EMA until you're ready to move on. So that is it for now. Over the short term, we have a technical target of 67 cents before a potential consolidation or a potential slight sell-off may happen. But overall, SPS continues to be very healthy. And let's see when we meet our technical targets, both for the horizontal pattern or both for the horizontal triangle that we see here, as well as the double bottom that we have established. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.